Hello traders, we are back with one more new setup. This time the pair is EURCAD. So before we talk about this, let's go back and check the time here. So refresh it. And currently it is 11:29 a.m. Monday, 18th of May 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart. What we got here? So we have left the resistance, as you can see. New low, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. All right, quite easy. You see here, new high, pullback, new high, rejection, downtrend, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. Okay, so we will enter short around the same price, or I think it might go and touch the EMA as well. Okay, I am not going to wait for the EMA rejection, but it might just go there. So I will be happy in the drawdown. That's fine for me. 27 pips drawdown. Anyways, so I'm gonna enter short here, and then my take profit is gonna be 5922. Okay, this is the nearest significant low. Okay, so we'll enter short here at the current price, and we'll exit here, which will give us maybe 80 pips in this trade. 80 or something between 75 to 80 pips in this trade. Okay, that's what we'll get. And when the take profit is hit, when the price hits my black line, I'll come back and record the video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with the take profit video. So this is EURCAD. Now before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time here. So I closed this trade yesterday, and current time is 10:30 a.m. Wednesday 20th of May 2026 in EST. So coming back to the chart, this black line is the entry where we took the entry. So in the first part of the video, we were here somewhere where we took the entry, and then we exited at 5965. Okay, so I have sent the screenshot in my Telegram group. You can go and check this EURCAD trade. Okay, so we entered around 5995 and we were out yesterday around 5965. So we booked 30 pips in EURCAD. Okay, 30 pips, yeah. And now this is going up, so this could be a pullback, and then we might go down until this low, which we discussed in the beginning of the video. Okay, for now I am out of the trade. It is a possibility we might go up, and then we might take down this low later on, but for now we are taking a pullback. Okay, so this can either reverse the trend, so this might take this high and we can go go into uptrend, or pull back and we'll continue going down for this low. Okay, so we'll see how it goes, but for now I have made 30 pips in this trade and I am out. If you want these trades setups before you watch these videos, because when you're watching this video the move is already over. Okay, so if you want to get into live trades, you want to enter with me, exit with me, then go and join the program, the first link below, I guess, and go and find the sales case somehow. Help yourself. You have to help yourself to get into the program, then only you can get these setups before time. Okay, so go into my Telegram, join there, or first link below this video and get into the program, and I'll see you inside. Till then, take care.